What drew me to the Lash Lounge initially was a classmate of mine that I went to aesthetic school with. She was working here, and I researched the company. I discovered that the company was really awesome.
I really love the way that the Lash Lounge does their training. You know, you start off online and they have a lot of helpful videos that you can watch. And then also when the trainer comes in, she does a lot of hands-on training with you, make sure that you're ready, gives you like all the tips and tricks on how to feel comfortable being a lash tech.
I felt very comfortable doing lashes, and I felt like I could ask anybody anything I needed.
You're always with another stylist that's new as well, so you have someone going along with the journey. You don't feel like you're in the journey alone.
Other girls that I work here with, we definitely have created like a really good bond. We're like a family at this point. You know, we all are going through the same thing.
There's a lot of opportunities for growth within the company. Starting out, you're going to be a stylist, and then you could also advance to higher levels of stylist. There's senior stylist that's available, and also master stylist. With those positions, there is a higher income, which is awesome. There's also advanced courses that you can learn. So just learning more skills that we offer here is going to just add to your plethora of services that you're able to offer your guests.
The Lash Lounge consultation process, it definitely makes us very unique compared to other lash salons. You know, we look at your eye shape to see what will look best on you. We look at what curl will look best on you. And I think that that does make us very unique. When I started lashing, I didn't really expect my relationships with my guests to be what they are. You know, you're with them every 2 weeks and you're with them for at least like an hour long. So you do really build a bond with them. And I really love that.
The look on their face is just, it's amazing because it's just a little service to us. You know, we're just doing our job, but it's more than that. It kind of transcends, you know, when you feel good about yourself, it kind of transfers into the rest of your day.
I love when someone can come on my bed and they say, this is like the only time I have for myself. I'm like, good, like, you know, relax, like, you know, take this time for yourself. Like, this is a space that you can just relax and just be.
To see your guest's face like light up when they see their lashes, it's just such a good feeling, and that's what it's all about.